Hey guys, it's Mrs. Pruitt, and I am going to teach you how to make a digital worksheet today. It's super easy. You have your PDF of your assignment or JPEG. If you already have it in JPEG, awesome. But I'll show you how to convert it. It's not that hard to do. So first thing you need to determine is whether or not your PDF is going to be which way it's going to lie. Is it need to be horizontal or does it need to be vertical? Mine are going to be vertical, so I'm going to go to my page setup, which is if you go up to the top, you go to File, you're going to go down to Page Setup, and I'm going to come right here so that it is going to be vertical. If you need it to go the other way, this is where it would go. This is where you're going to change it right here. I don't want it as widescreen. I want it to be the same size as a piece of regular paper. So I'm going to go up here and go to letter paper, 8.5 by 11 inches. Okay. And then I'm just going to hit OK. And I'm going to scale down. Okay. So right now, if I scroll out, you can see my paper is up and down. Now, what I need to do is come over here and I'm going to grab my, here's the one I want. I'm going to come right here. Okay, so I'm going to take this sheet. I have all of them numbered, as you can see over here. And this is a PDF. I can't do much with the PDF, so I want to turn this into a JPEG. For our purposes, that's what you need to do. And in order to do that, it's super easy. You just have it open. You're going to go over to File, and you're going to have your drop-down box. You're going to go down to Export. Click on Export. And then over here where it says Format, you're going to click on Format and go to JPEG. You do want it JPEG. You want it best right here. And then right here, where do you want it saved at? I'm just going to save mine on the desktop. Do you want to change the name? I'm going to keep the name because I have mine numbered. So I'm just going to hit Save, and you can see it's now saved as a JPEG on your desktop right here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take my document here, my slide for my PowerPoint presentation, and then I'm going to go over to Design. This is where you would pick out the backgrounds for your PowerPoint. I'm not going to choose one of those. What I'm going to do is come over to Format Background, and I'm going to click on this. And right here it says Picture or Texture Fill. So I'm going to click on this. Then underneath it says Picture Source. Hit Insert. And then I'm going to go to my desktop. And this is the one that we just changed into the JPEG format. So you pick that one. PDF won't work for this. You have to have it as a JPEG. So I'm going to hit Insert. And now you can see your background cannot be moved, changed, anything like that. And if you screw up and you need to change it, all you have to do is come back over here, hit Insert, choose a different one, and it will change it for you. So then if you want to be able to put moving parts or text boxes, something like that, what you need to do is you're going to come back over to the Home tab. You're going to come over to Layout. You're going to click on Title Slide. I'm going to get rid of one of these. This right here, I'm going to put like type here so the student knows that that's where I want them to type. Now you can highlight the words, or you can click on the box. Either way is fine. And then I'm going to come up here. I'm going to turn this into 12-point font, and I'm going to bold it. So I want it bold. And then I'm going to shrink this box right here, and you can center it if you want to. I'm going to left justify mine, and then I'm going to put it right here. And so if you had an assignment right here where the student needed to fill in an answer, you could have them, I just have type here. But you could also have, let's say you wanted to put words, and then maybe have your word bank up here, and maybe you have a line and you have to have like put your word next to your definition. So I would say, okay, I'm going to type in my word, plop, there it goes. That's where this word belongs with this definition. I have even done in the past where I have, I'll highlight them so it's easier for me to find and for the student to find. I like to number mine as well, just in case, like, for some reason they get out of whack. Another thing that I like to do is just do a, oops, I'm going to erase that one. I'm going to just put minus signs like this. And you can highlight this like in a different color if you want. That's not what I wanted to do. Go back to normal. I want to change that to red. There we go. And let's say, okay, my word bank up here, I've already used this word. And so I am going to cross that word out. And I would just cover the word up with my crossy out. And so that is how you make a digital interactive worksheet. If you want to duplicate these, all you have to do is click on the edge, copy, and then you can paste as many as you want. And if you don't know, copy is Command C and paste is Command V. And then if you want to undo, you can do Command Z. Just like that. And that is how you make a digital worksheet.